what's up, guys? We got another install. All right, some simple low maintenance color. What we got going on here today? Got the Camellias, the Pixie Loropetalum, both small plants, small growing plants. Offset them, and we're gonna make a nice half moon right here. We're gonna continue it into her entrance of her house. I'm gonna turn this all into a whole bed. We switched it up a little bit on the entrance, and then we're gonna make this just all Loropetalum. So we switched it up in here. We put nothing but the Loropetalums here. That way, it's just not the same thing over and over. And then this front, we kind of got these closer, make a thin line, and then we're gonna accent this tree and come around right here. All right, looks like it's coming together. Got some pine straw. Got everything over here. As you can see, put around that, come through here, around that. Got a little squiggle action going on here. Turn that into a bed. And there, coming together. I'm about to start rolling some pine straw. All right, that wraps this one up. We got the Camellias, the Loropetalums, Pixies, everything rounded together, tied together. Just one continuous flow. It almost looks like curbs on your pine straw. Everything filled in, and this is all some low maintenance color. It's another one for the books, turned out real good.